Ever found yourself staring at your Uphold balance, wondering how to bridge the gap between your crypto and your everyday spending? You're not alone. Many Uphold users, both seasoned traders and newcomers, often ask the same question: how do I actually get this money into my bank account? It's a valid question. After all, the whole point of digital assets is often to leverage their value in the real world. Whether you're cashing out some profits, need funds for a specific purchase, or simply prefer to keep a portion of your holdings as traditional currency, understanding the withdrawal process is key. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, it's important to remember that the exact steps and timelines can sometimes vary slightly depending on your location, the verification level of your Uphold account, and your chosen bank. However, the general process remains fairly consistent. So, let's get straight to it. Here's how you can typically transfer funds from your Uphold account to your bank. First things first, ensure your bank account is properly linked to your Uphold account. This is a crucial first step and usually involves providing your bank name, account number, and potentially a sort code or routing number. Uphold will likely require you to verify this bank account, often through a small test deposit that you'll need to confirm. This verification process is in place for your security, so make sure you follow the instructions carefully. Once your bank account is linked and verified, you're ready to initiate the withdrawal. Log into your Uphold account either through the website or the mobile app. Navigate to the Transact or Withdraw section. The exact wording might differ slightly depending on the platform version, but it's usually quite intuitive. Here, you'll likely see options for sending funds to various destinations, including linked bank accounts. Select your verified bank account as the recipient. Next, you'll need to specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check this figure to avoid any errors. Uphold will usually display your available balance in various currencies or assets. Make sure you're selecting the correct source of funds for your withdrawal. Before you finalize the transaction, Uphold will typically provide you with a summary of the withdrawal, including the amount, the destination bank account, and any applicable fees. Pay close attention to the fee structure, as withdrawal fees can vary. Be aware of any potential minimum or maximum withdrawal limits as well. Once you've reviewed all the details and you're confident everything is correct, confirm the withdrawal. You might be asked to enter your password or a two-factor authentication code for security purposes. After confirming, Uphold will process your request. The processing time can vary. Some withdrawals might be processed within one business day, while others could take a few business days depending on your bank and Uphold's internal procedures. Keep an eye on your Uphold transaction history for updates on the status of your withdrawal. You should also receive an email notification from Uphold confirming the transaction. If, for any reason, you encounter issues during the withdrawal process, Uphold's customer support is your best resource. They can provide specific guidance based on your account and situation. So, there you have it, a breakdown of how to generally transfer money from your Uphold account to your bank. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account and double-check all transaction details before confirming. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.